Israeli airstrikes on Thursday killed at least 47 people in eastern Lebanon, as part of Israel's ongoing campaign against the Iran-backed Hezbollah group. The strikes targeted the Baalbek region, controlled by Hezbollah, and hit Hezbollah infrastructure in the southern suburbs of Beirut. The attack occurred amid efforts by U.S. mediator Amos Hochstein to negotiate a ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. While progress was made in discussions, Lebanon sought changes to the proposed ceasefire, particularly for a quicker Israeli withdrawal from southern Lebanon. The conflict, which erupted after the Gaza war in October 2023, has caused significant casualties, with at least 3,583 people killed in Lebanon since September. Hezbollah continues to launch rockets into Israel, including attacks on Nahariya, which have resulted in casualties. Despite ceasefire talks, both sides remain entrenched in ongoing violence, with Hezbollah fighting Israeli troops on the ground in southern Lebanon.